everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ruby, and today I'm going to be filming a little bit of a different type of video. I'm actually going to be filming a prom get ready with me. I want to make it very clear, this is not a tutorial, this is a get ready with me. This is kind of the season for prom videos, and you know, I needed to get mine up, so this is what I have for you guys. I showed you 2 dresses, 1 look. All my jewelry as well as my dresses will be linked down below. All my jewelry is from Mint Mongoose, and I will have a coupon code down below. They also sent me this really pretty gold marble triangle bangle, as well as this matching triangle marble necklace, and then these beautiful earrings that I featured in my looks. So if you're interested in those, check them out, as well as the dresses will be all linked down below. Before I get started, if you're not already, please go subscribe. I'm going to be doing a giveaway at 20k and we're almost there, so do it. Also follow me on Instagram and my Depop for updates on me and my clothes. Also Twitter is down below. Everything is linked down below, so if you're not already, please go follow those links. And I'm just super excited, so yeah, I'm honestly so proud of myself for doing my own makeup. I don't know how this happened, but it actually looks decent, so I'm happy. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get started. So to start off, I'm just gonna be taking some makeup remover wipes and removing any makeup I was wearing today. I picked up my face yesterday with one of those like pimple poppers, so I have some red spots on my face, but it's fine. I'm not actually going to prom today. My prom is in June, I think, or maybe it's May. I don't really know. June. But yeah, I'm not like super excited for my prom. Like, I'm not really excited at all, honestly. But you know, I'm still going, and yeah, make the most out of it, I guess, I suppose. So now that I've done that, I'm just gonna put on like a moisturizer slash like, what is this, slash like corrector on my face. My face is really just like not, it's very discolored right now because I'm super white because it's like winter right now, and I'm just like not feeling the rudest, so I think that might have something to do with it too. But also, like, there's a ring light on me, so you can definitely see every single imperfection. I'm leaving for LA in like 5 days with one of my BFFs, Avery Shorner, and I'm so excited, like literally so excited. What am I doing next? I guess, okay, since this is a more like, you know, want this to last all freaking night no matter what, I'm gonna actually put on foundation because I never usually do this, but like this is like, you know, fancier occasion. I'm gonna put on foundation. I'm going to LA with Avery, and I'm so excited because I haven't been since I was little, and hopefully, you know, like we can have a good time. Hopefully the weather is like, it's like hot, because I know like right now it's like weirdly cold there, and well, obviously not as cold as Canada, but like, you know, cold for LA. So like, definitely gonna self tan before I go, because I don't think I'm gonna get a tan while I'm there, which is a little sad, but you know, what can you do? If you guys have any recommendations or anything of places we should go, things we should do, hit me up. It just like looks very badly blended in my mirror. Okay, maybe I should try using my fingers. Removing my, ow, I just poked myself in the eye. Oh, ow. Okay, I think this is just like a really shitty foundation because it's literally like not, it's like already like dried to my face and isn't blending anymore. Oh my god, yeah, I'm taking some of this off. Okay. That was a fail. I'm going to use that same foundation, but I'm just gonna blend it in with my fingers because I can do that quickly. I'm gonna vlog it, hopefully, you know. You never know what could happen, but I'm planning on vlogging it to the best of my ability. Okay, so now my face looks pretty concealed, looks the same color, I would say. Now I'm just gonna put on some concealer. I'm gonna use, oh, I just dug my nails that I just got done today in my powder. Like, okay. A friend gave this to me like so long ago, like probably in grade 10 or even maybe grade 9, I don't remember, but it's basically like an illuminating, almost like a highlighting concealer. So obviously I'm gonna put that under my eyes, just in like key spots of my face. I went to prom last year and it just like wasn't fun. Like, it was so freaking like a waste of money. I spent so much money on my dress last year and I hated how I looked. I felt so like ugly and I like uncomfortable, which is my fault because I got a dress that just like I knew, you know, I wasn't gonna be like comfortable in moving around and stuff like that. So that was my fault. But I don't know, it's just like definitely not worth the hype or the money. Like all these things, like I'm gonna do my own hair, I'm gonna get my friend to do my makeup. I'm like not like, you know, gonna put in all this craziness into prom this year because it's just really, it's really not worth it. Like, it's not, I mean, I think it might be different like maybe in the US or like other schools. Obviously, like if I was friends with like the whole school and like, I don't know, like I'd be a bit more excited, but it's just like my grade kind of sucks. No offense to anyone who's watching this that knows me and is in my grade. It just like sucks so bad and it's sad. I just think like if you're born the same year as me, I think we're all cursed. That's my theory. I think this year, like my year is cursed. That is actually much darker than my actual skin tone because I don't like to tan my or self-tan my face, but I actually haven't self-tanned in a while. Anyway, so that's not really relevant, but I just like looking tan, so I think I've said this before. Okay, now I'm having this like red rash showing up right here. This is a reoccurring rash that likes to just like play games with my face. This is the first time I'm using this because I don't really know when to wear eyeshadow. So anyway, so I'm gonna use the color Faith. Wow, look at me, I'm such a beauty girl. It's just, you know, like a medium brown coffee looking color. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. This actually doesn't look bad. I could just wear this, can't I? Maybe not. I'm gonna use the color Lockout, which is just like a darker brown in my crease to add some definition. Oh shit, I wanted to put in this pre-game yellow color all over my lid first to just like cancel out any weird colors because it's like a, yeah, I think that's what it's meant for. But I forgot to do that, so not gonna do that anymore. But I'm gonna use the color Lit. I don't know if that's just gonna focus. Lit, because the color's lit and it's like this like orange gold shimmery bomb that I'm going to explode all over my crease. I look like a freaking sunset goddess. Yeah, that's basically what the eyes are gonna look like. Oh my god. So then I'm actually going to do blush. No, I'm gonna do bronzer first. So I'm just gonna use my Hoola bronzer and bronze the shit out of my face. And then I'm gonna use my little Glossier cream blush. I'm not a huge fan of blush, but I mean, why not, right? And this one's just like a cute little peachy color to make me look like I'm blushing the whole night. Oh my god, this blush is a little crazy pigmented. I might need to mute this a little bit. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. So my Becca highlighter is crushed to the max, so I can't really show you guys it, but you know, it's the champagne pop, and you know, since this is a special night, I'm just gonna highlight my whole face because I want to be shining like the star that I am. I just realized how tan I made myself. Like, this is crazy. I wish I looked like this all the time. Like, my eyebrows have no shape. Let me know if thin eyebrows, like people with thin eyebrows, can get their eyebrows done, because I don't know personally how to do it myself. So I really just want someone to like give them some shape, because they don't have any and they're just like whoop whoop and they're really annoying, and I think they're really ugly, and I feel like my face would look a lot better if my eyebrows did. So I really need help, but I'm just gonna fill them in, I think. So I'm gonna just hydrate my lips by putting on lip balm. I'm just gonna put on this plumping lip gloss instead. This is literally the look. Wow, I'm really genuinely so proud of myself. Look at all those fingerprints. That's disgusting. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I did not know I could do this. Now I'm gonna do my hair. I think I'm just gonna straighten my hair because that's what I would do if I were going to prom. I would just straighten my hair because I don't know. I don't really know how to do anything else. While I'm straightening my hair, I have to pick out what I want from Socialite because that's what my family is ordering tonight. I don't even like Socialite. I can't eat any meat there, so I don't even know what I'm gonna get. Not to be annoying, but maybe I'll get pierogies. I love pierogies. Alright, so now that I have finished straightening my hair, I'm just gonna change my earrings. I'm gonna wear these earrings that are from Mint Mongoose. They're just these little gold and black tassel earrings. They're super cute. I think they'll look really good with, honestly they'll look good with both the dresses I'm showing you, but I think they'll look especially good with the black dress. Obviously the dress is like the statement, but you know, jewelry is really nice and definitely adds a lot in these type of situations. So now I'm going to show you guys the two dresses that, you know, I don't know if I'm going to wear these to actual prom. I probably won't, just because, I don't know. I still have a long way away to choose my dress for prom. But yeah. For dresses, I've decided to show you guys two satin styled kind of dresses. They're like simple, but a little bit more fancy, if you know what I'm saying. So the first dress is from Lolly Prom Dresses. It's a smaller website. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. All their links to this dress in particular and their website will be down below. You should definitely go check them out. This is just a really pretty green dress. I personally want this color dress for my prom. It's really pretty. I love the color, and it's just has a little draping and a little slit. The second dress I have to show you I actually got on Depop, but I'm pretty sure it's originally from Pretty Little Thing. This I definitely wanted to get taken in because I would want it to be a bit tighter on my waist, but I just think the silhouette is gorgeous and it's just so simple, and this is the kind of dress that I think I'm definitely going to wear. I love the slit and just the simplicity of it. But yeah, those are the two dresses. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, you know, all that stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video. Put your head on